Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have a question that has come in SAT and here we need to find out the value of y. We need to solve it for y, right? So whenever you see this kind of thing, if you see here left hand side is y raised to power y, right? That means in the exponent and in the base we have same number, right? So on the right hand side base is different and power is different, right? Can we somehow make this also the right hand side as well, like something raised to power something? I say x raised to power x, like that. So whenever we get like that, we can then equate the powers or the bases, you can say, right? Okay, so if I see here, I will write left hand side as this only, but on the right hand side what will I do? I will write it as, this is 1024. Okay, if I break 1024, as I can see that 4 is 2 square, right? And this is also multiple of 2, it is 1024. So I will break it in two parts. It can be written as 512 times 2, right? Okay, let us see what do we get. It is 2 times 512, right? Now a raised to power bc can be written as a raised to power b raised to power c, right? Okay, so what will I do? I will write it as 4 square raised to power 512, right? Okay, now that means we got 16 raised to power 512, right? Okay, now we will again break this 512 in two parts. Okay, let's see how. We have 512 which can be written as 2 times 256, right? Okay, so now 16 raised to power 2 times 256, right? Okay, this again can be written as 16 raised to power 2 raised to power 256, right? Because we know that rule that a raised to power b raised to power c is a raised to power bc. So when we have this product, we can write it in this way as well, right? Now what is 16 square? 16 square is 256, and in the exponent as well we have 256. Now if we see left hand side and right hand side, we can see they both are in same way, right? Y raised to power y, like means something raised to power something is equal to something raised to power something. Now if we compare, we get y is equal to 256 and this is our answer, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.